Just a thanks for everybody who's subscribed to the channel and all the people who like to comment and contribute to what I think is really helpful community. It's great seeing your comments and reactions to sort of me doing these monthly updates and some of the tips and overview of the successes and failures as we've gone through the year. One thing I have noticed, however, is that the sort of beans content just isn't seemingly getting the views or suggestions in people's feeds that I've noticed, and the viewing figures have gone down. Whether that's part of the algorithm or part of the way that this channel has been sort of set up and organically grown, no pun intended, over this year in terms of some of the stuff we've put up, whether it just can't quite cope with only having vegetable allotment content and some of the other stuff that we put out there as well, in terms of the home brewing stuff and some of the sort of beer event Oktoberfest shorts that I've put up, which have bizarrely rocketed off very quickly each time we've put stuff up, and then sort of disappeared again after that, so nothing seems to stick really. If anybody who is subscribed and some of the regular commenters could help share some of the content, it might help a little bit, I don't know, but it can't hurt to ask. So if there's anything that you think you could suggest from some of your own channels, the people that do have them, and your own content, and suggestions as to how we might improve sort of the sort of viewing figures, then any suggestions will be much appreciated. What I have noticed bizarrely is the homey Korean gardening tool is probably, I think, the most viewed video on the channel so far, and if anything it seems to be driving a lot of Korean YouTube content my way, which is rather strange. Maybe because people have searched a lot for that tool name and it's come up with my video, and then that's kind of skewed the way that YouTube is suggesting my content to viewers. I don't know, but if there's anything that anyone can think of out there as to reasons why it's not quite hitting the current views, I don't know, then I'd be grateful for the suggestions. A few updates as well in terms of the new plot that we took on, which we've quitted the rent on the large main new plot and instead taken a small half plot, just simply due to the fact that we're not doing justice to that part of the allotment, and it's been difficult enough this year keeping on top of the weeds and planting and keeping things going, so having that whole plot with all that bindweed, all that sort of bracken causing all kinds of problems in terms of trying to get it chopped down and into a usable site, when someone who hasn't got a plot can devote the time to that and get it cleared and get it cultivated, which is totally the right thing. So we've decided to give that up, take a smaller half plot, which still does which does need clearing a little bit. It's still got a couple of apple trees on it, which will make it useful for what we intend to do, is to have some fruit on it and a few other projects that we're thinking about for next year. So we'll have a look and see at the update on the old new plot and the new plot. So thank you for tuning in today to Beans, Brews and Bread. If you've liked what you've seen, I'd be grateful if you give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or suggestions, then really grateful if you'd type them down in the comments below. And if you'd like to be notified of the next time I've got a video, then just press the subscribe and the bell icon, and you'll get a quick peek to say that I've put something up on YouTube again. Well, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.